Quick video here to show you the advanced display settings on this Ouxi V8 Mini that has an HC80 display. I'll go over the different features of the remote and also the advanced settings menu. To turn the bike on, you're going to use this power button on the remote. To change the pedal assist modes, just hit the plus button. You'll see that it increases. To decrease the pedal assist modes, you'll hit the minus button. You're going to see that if you hit the I button, it will go through the different settings here. It goes odometer, the trip, then it tells you the voltage of the battery. This gives you the time of your trip. It tells you the amps while you're have the throttle like this. It'll tell you the amps. And then going in here, this is the average speed for my trip, my max speed, and then back to the odometer. Now, to get into the advanced settings menu, you're going to hold the I button for about 2 seconds, and then dropping in here, this is the P01. This is the screen brightness. If you want to change this, you hit the minus button, and we'll cycle through. You have 03 is the brightest, 02, and then 01 is the dimmest settings. I'm going to leave it as 03, and then to move on, you're going to hit the I button. That'll go to P02. This is for miles per hour or kilometers. 00 is for kilometers. 01 is for miles per hour. I'm going to set it to kilometers for this video. Moving on to P03. This is the odometer. If you hold the plus button, it will reset the odometer and total miles on the bike. And then if you go into P04, this is for cruise control. The default is 01 and 00 is to disable the cruise control. How cruise control works is when you're riding the bike and you hold the throttle at a certain speed for a certain amount of time, it will engage this cruise control. And you can see it here. I let go of the throttle, it's still going, and this icon right there is for cruise control. To disengage the cruise control, just hit any brake lever and it automatically stops. Sometimes it feels like the throttle's stuck, but you can disable that in the advanced settings menu. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.